Hello guys, we're back again. So today I'm gonna do the brake rotors and pads. So if anyone is wondering who's the manufacturer for the pads, it's Jurid for AMG pads as well, and brake rotors. So that's the part number for the pads, and I will can't find I'll try and put in the description the part number for the brake rotors. I think they fit on SL55, C63 AMG, CLS63, and other, even on S65, SL65, same brake rotors but different calipers, slightly different. And these are the new wheels on a 19 with new Samo tires. I don't know how good can you see from the... This is the front, and this is the rear. Got a few tools here. I have to raise the car. I'm gonna try and do a differential oil change as well. This is the thing I have. You can use any other GL5 compatible oil. You think you're gonna need like 2 liters. I might do an oil change again. This is what I have, and the oil filter for the M275, which is made by MAN. And yeah, that's first thing first. I have to loosen the wheel bolts. This looks like it's loose. Anyway, I'll loosen the wheel bolts and then I'll try and film the process. Okay, so some of the bolts were tighter than the others, or loosened than the others. Don't know, I should have checked before I left. But anyway, that's the socket you need, at least for my bolts. And that's the security, which is this, and you need number 311 if you have the same pattern. So be careful not to strip it, because otherwise you're gonna have a long day. So my car is so low that I cannot put the big one first, so I have to lift one side with the small one, put that one in the center, lift it up. Now I'm gonna remove this and put the jack stand. Okay, so now the car is on the jack stand, and I've got that one as a backup just in case. So now I'm gonna start with the passenger side, which is the left side on a UK car. Okay, so this is the wheel out, front left, This is a bit rusty. I don't. It has a slight lip, but I think mine. How do you say it? I forgot. I have vibration when I brake from 70 miles per hour, so they're not straight. The brake pads, they don't look bad, to be honest. They don't look bad. It's just surface rust. Oh, I bought the kit for the brakes, the holders for the brake pad with new pins. I don't know if it's the right part or not, but we'll find out. Other than that, here bit surface rust, but it works. Okay, I'll first actually is two 18mm bolts. Which I can't see. Oh no. Oh yeah. See there? One. Another one at the bottom. Right there. I have to loosen these ones. Take the caliper out. First I need to push these pins. Push them out. Take the brake pads out. And then I'll try and set up the see, I can feel they're not straight, they're like oval. So I'll try and set up the camera, and I'm also going to try and change this brake dust cover, which I have it somewhere. I don't know where it is. I'll show it to you once I get set up. Okay, so I sprayed some of this rust solver on the boards. I'm gonna leave it for like 5 minutes. And this is cover plates. These. Obviously, to change the cover plates, you'll have to take the hub out. But I'm just gonna do like I did on the rear, cut the slot and just put it over it, and that's it. I'll come back to you guys later.